Hello guys, I'm Lan PC with CNET and today I'm going to unbox Mass HQ50 Fantech Mass HQ50 headset. Actually it's a very good headset. It not weight that much. It's ultra weight and design and extended durability cord. The cord is 3 meters long and the volume control is also there, as you can see in here, and the noise cancelling microphone. This is the microphone. It has come out. Yes, and here is the QR code to the Fantech official website, and here are the technical specifications. The mic dimension is also there, the sensitivity, directivity driver unit, speaker independence, plug diameter, speaker frequency response, and cord length is there. And okay, now we will open the box and see what's inside the package. Okay, we will see what's inside the package. Yes, and the headset is there with its wire, and also the warranty card is also included in the box. Yeah, as you can see, in here also we can see a QR code. Okay, now we will take the headset out of the bag, taking, and here it is, the headset. So you can see here is the volume control. For when you do for the up down side, it's increasing, and if you do to up, it's decreasing. And here is the mic. You can get it up like this and you can get it down. And also here the cord is highly protected, and here, as you can see, it's not bending from there. And here you can see the small transistor. It is being divided to the green and pink port. The green color one is for the speaker, that means the speakers of the headset. Here you can see the headset icon, and this is for the mic, and in here also you can see the mic. Okay, those are the main things, and here is a small Fantech badge, and in the headset also you can see the Fantech badge. Okay, you can adjust this to the size of which you like. And okay, here you can see this is comfortable, and this also. Okay, we will not talk another things, and we will get to the computer to see how this works. Okay guys, now I came to my old PC, and I'm going to fix the jacks correctly to the ports of the computer. Okay, now I fixed, and we will firstly enter to my PC. I will remember to log in, and here you can see where I will take the phone's microphone near the headset, and wait, I will try to make that here for you all. Wait a minute. Okay, as you can, I think you will hear it slowly. And now we will check the mic quality from OBS Studio. OBS Studio is opening, and here you can see audio input capture is there. you should I have. Okay, now you can see this when I am talking. The green color up one is going up, and here also you can see mic AUX. As you can see, mic AUX is going up. Hello, yes, as you can see, the mic is also working good properly, and those are the things that in Fantech Mass HQ, and I recommend you all to buy this headset if you are buying finding a headset. Okay, thank you for watching this video. We will meet from another video. Goodbye, stay safe.